Hello, this is Yvonne from Lazy Earthlings. First of all, I would like to thank you for coming by my channel and leaving me comments. I'm glad that my video helped you with your kit. In this video, I will be sharing the tools I use for my paper theatre and miniature kits. Let's start with my tools and the types of glue, and then we will move on to the glue application demo on paper. Wooden skewer or toothpick. This helps to apply glue to smaller surface or hard to reach areas. Flathead tweezers. The flat surface doesn't leave marks on the paper. Oval art knife and a regular pen knife. I feel that any art knife or pen knife that looks similar to what I have here works the same. Daiso Precision Tip White Glue. Wood glue with a fine point and a white point. Tamiya Craft Bond. I bought this together with my paper theatre kits. I found it at the miniature kit section at Joshin Denden Town in Osaka. Daiso Fine Tip Empty Bottle at the food section. The tip of the bottle is sealed up and I have to slice it open to determine how big I want the hole to be. After that, I fill the bottle with normal white glue. Let's look at how each glue application works. You can see how precise the tip is, what is the consistency of the glue, and how it's like to distribute the glue. It is important that the glue is not too watery. It might warp the paper or might not be sticky enough to hold the paper together. Overall, I personally like to use Tamiya Craft Bond for my projects. Second would be the wood glue. It is really more for the convenience, finer applications, and then the thicker consistency of the glue. Please leave a comment if you have any question or tips to share with me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye!